With the current COVID-19 pandemic, I'm stuck in the house. And even though I'm a self-professed introvert, I have to admit, it's beginning to get to me. Hey, I'm Joel. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll be giving you a very brief introduction to 5 free alternatives to popular commercial desktop applications. First up, let's talk about operating systems. The going price for a licensed copy of Windows 10 Professional Edition is $100. This is just north of 20,000 Ghanaian dollars. Let that sink in for a bit. Your alternative? The star of many a tech movie and series, Linux. Linux is widely used in the information technology industry, with a large amount of web servers running Linux as their operating systems. You may even be surprised to know that the company that makes that other operating system has contributed to the development of Linux. Let's talk about Office suites. One of the very best free Office suites is LibreOffice, and it has a lot going for it. LibreOffice is compatible with Microsoft Office, though you won't get the Microsoft fonts with it. There are, however, ways around that. LibreOffice is also cross-platform, which means that whether you use Windows or Linux, you can have your favorite free Office suites with you. It also comes bundled with many Linux distributions. Want to know what Linux distributions are? Leave a comment below and let me know if you would like to see me do a video on Linux. For the creatives out there, let's talk about photo editing software. Everyone swears by Adobe Photoshop. Me, on the other hand, I swear by GIMP. GIMP is a fully featured photo editor with most of, if not all of the tools you are already accustomed to. The best part about it, you don't have to pay a subscription or do that other thing that is frowned upon. And it is nowhere near as demanding on your system as Photoshop. GIMP is also extensible, cross-platform, and has a large user base. Did I mention that it's free? Do you create artwork for signs, logos? Then there's something on this list for you too. Inkscape is a marvelous alternative to Adobe Illustrator. The only lacking feature is multiple canvases. Though to be honest, I don't see that being a necessity. Like GIMP, Inkscape is also cross-platform and has a large user base. And unlike its Adobe counterpart, well, you already know. Filmmakers, got some for you too. Kdenlive is small, free, doesn't require the latest GPU, requires no subscription and has a decent arsenal of features, and is fairly easy to get started with. I don't feel a need to knock Adobe again, so I won't. Aside from being free, all the software mentioned in this list are open source. This means that if you're a knowledgeable programmer, you can contribute to the development of these software packages. I use every single one of these software packages listed. In fact, this video was created on a Linux system using some of these very same packages. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see videos on any of the software I talked about, please let me know in the comment section.